come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Jain, you made a very startling statement about a threat to your life. You've also named Samajwadi Party, its media cell, the troll armies, Akhilesh Yadav, Asaduddin Owaisi. What is the basis of this threat to life? Have you received messages and calls? Can you please detail this for us?
See, Navika, I have received threat calls. I have received threat messages on social media as well as various other social media platforms. Now the point is this, that what is the reason for all these threat calls and threat messages is the misinformation which has been spread by Mr. Owaisi, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, the Secretary of Gyanvapi Masjid Committee, Mr. Yasin, apart from that the concerned MP from the Sampal. All these 4 or 5 people as well as Samajwadi Party media cell, they are responsible for spreading this misinformation. And what is the misinformation which they have spread? They have said that when Vishnu Jain was going to conduct the survey under the orders of the court, he was chanting the slogans of Jai Shri Ram, and along with him there were few others from the local residents. They were also chanting Jai Shri Ram slogans, because of which the riots have taken place and 5 people are dead. And Vishnu Shankar Jain is a terrorist and he is solely responsible for the death of these 5 people. This is the troll, this is the messages which are going on my Twitter handle, and these are the threats which I am receiving. Now kindly see, kindly fact check it. Kindly see what has happened and how can they be so dishonest and how can they spread such a misinformation. Now Navika, the fact is that we were informed by the Advocate Commissioner at 6:30 p.m. on 23rd of November that we have to assemble next day in the morning at 6:30 a.m. at Kotwali Police Station, Sambal, and from there we all will be escorted together under the guidance of the state government, and then this survey will happen. I reached the police station, Kotwali Police Station at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Along with me, central government, state government councils were there. Mr. Zafar Ali, the council for Masjid Committee, came at 7:30. And Navika, the four lawyers, along with the SDM, the circle officer, the SP concerned, the district magistrate, we all went together to conduct survey at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. And the video which they have showed on their Twitter handle is the video of me returning from the survey at 10:30 or 11 a.m. So जो लौटने का वीडियो था, उसको जाने का वीडियो बता के आपने पूरा मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन फैला दिया कि विष्णु शंकर जैन जय श्री राम के नारे लगाते हुए गया, जिसकी वजह से दंगा हो गया. हाउ कैन मिस्टर ओवैसी बी सो इररिस्पांसिबल? एंड नाविका प्लीज. वारिस पठान जी, सीरियस मैटर. अगर लाइफ को थ्रेट हो और इस तरह के थ्रेट कॉल्स आ रहे हो तो दिस बिकम्स अ वेरी serious matter. I want to ask you, Varis Pathan, do you condemn the threat to Vishnu Shankar Jain's life? After all, he is a lawyer and he has fact checked. He has said that Jai Shri Ram के नारे लगे थे जब वो लौट कर आ रहे थे, ना कि जब वो जा रहे थे. Do you think the onus is on Mr. Owaisi to clarify his earlier charge?
Well, Navika, I condemn threat given to any individual of the country by any person, any institution or anybody. Threat should not be given. We live in democracy, we follow the constitution. The constitution has given us the right to raise our points and to see if somebody is doing wrong. And we have a right, we are in opposition. If the government is trying to shield something, the government is trying to hide something, we have a right to ask them, we have a right to ask the question. But just merely leveling allegations against such big political leaders like our party president is totally rubbish, irrelevant, and it's baseless. Let me tell you, I am receiving threats every day. I don't say that if the right-wing trolls who are threatening me every day, Modi is responsible if something happens to me, Amit Shah will be responsible if something happens to me, or Yogi is responsible if something happens to me. It is for the police. Let the police provide him security. He should be provided security if he feels that somebody is threatened. But leveling such kind of baseless allegations of a political leader is totally irrelevant. I would like Mr. Vishnu Jain to apologize to the nation. I would like Mr. Vishnu Jain to apologize to the nation for naming our party president. That what did he say? He said, now let us understand the chronology, Navika. I could not hear what Mr. Vishnu Jain said earlier. Let us understand the chronology. 1911, a survey was done, a survey order was passed by the court without informing the other side, without informing the masjid authorities or anybody. 4 p.m. an order is issued, and you won't believe, I have been practicing since last more than 15 years in the courts, and I have not seen such a hurry or to believe that, okay, the order will be in our favor only. 6:30, they go there, they start a survey. And what do they do there? Raise the slogans of JSR. Who goes for a survey by raising slogans of JSR? They go there,
But
survey is done,
saying,
9:30,
but
they come out and say survey ho gaya hai.
he
Now, on
is saying that
24/11,
that the slogans of Jai Shri Ram were not raised while going.
24/11.
That is where the facts are important. He says while going there were
He
no
says so.
slogans.
We have got the video footages. He may say so. He may say so. We have got the video footages which suggest that they were raising the slogans. You and me, everybody, the entire nation have seen the video footages. And on 24/11, who directed the DM to pass an order for a second survey? What was the basis for the second survey? Why did they go there in the morning at 7:30? They go there to conduct a second survey.
Again a misinformation, Navika. Again a second
Vishnu
misinformation.
Shankar Jain is coming in. Yes, Mr. Vishnu Shankar Jain. What is wrong with the statement of Varis Pathan?
This is not the way.
Just a minute.
I was
Varis-
patiently. I never interrupted anybody.
Varis Pathan,
I never
think doesn't know
interrupted
the
anybody.
facts.
I never interrupted anybody. Allow me to make my point.
All let you finish, sir.
Okay, you make your point and then he will counter.
मुझे सब कुछ पता है. सुबह में 7:30 बजे आप जाके सर्वे कर रहे हो, वहां पर आपको पता चलता है कि कोई खड्डा खोद रहे लोग आ जाते हैं. वहां का लॉयर जो है मस्जिद कमेटी का इंचार्ज भी है, उसने कहा है प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लेकर कि मैंने सुना पुलिस प्रशासन को ये बोलते हुए कि फायरिंग करना है, फायरिंग करना चाहिए, और फायरिंग हुई. 6 लोगों की जानें चले गई, 6 मासूम बेगुनाह मुसलमान शहीद हो गए. Who is responsible for the deaths of those people? This was not violence. This was a cold-blooded murder. And who is responsible? The state government. Why should no action be taken against the police officers who did the firing? Now they say,
okay, all right, we'll come to the role of the state government in just a bit, Varis Pathan. But your very premise that there was no order, the court had not said anything. Well, to that, Vishnu Shankar Jain wants to raise a counter. Vishnu Shankar Jain.
I said ex-party order was passed. What was the UN? What was the need of? Why was
See, first of all, now Navika, can you ask him to? Now, Varis bhai, can I make my point?
You get an order, and the very next after.
Now, can you, sir, hold for a minute?
Survey.
Okay.
Again on 24/11, you go there to.
All right.
Survey.
Vishnu Shankar Jain, was this an ex-party order on the 19th of November, and therefore the charge that is being made is that it was a predetermined, plan of action?
See, Navika, this is the video of 3 minutes 21 seconds, and I'll send it to Varis bhai also. And now in this, Arey sir, now can you stop now?
Yes, go on, Vishnu.
Then you allow me. See, this is not a proper way
right.
to conduct.
Navika, you ask him the.
When I was making my point, you, Vishnu, everybody were interrupting me. As it is, I came late. I think so. What the initial points Vishnu Jain made, I could not.
आप बोलो ना सर, मैं चुप हूँ, आप बोलो ना.
I started with my points and I am.
Mr. Varis Pathan, आप 3 मिनट से बोल रहे हैं. आपको बिल्कुल इंटरप्ट नहीं किया.
Perceived Act 1992 in garbage. What happens to that? What happens to that, Navika?
Well, I will come to that argument separately. But first we are looking on the incidents of 19th November and 24th November.